is Mindy from the Weekend Gardener, and today I'd like to talk to you about fall and winter lawn care. Now, if you live in an area that you can't distinguish between fall and winter, spring and summer, when you pull your lawnmower out, you're actually mowing to control the height of the grass. But I live in an area where there's a definite fall winter season and spring summer season. So in the fall, when I pull my lawnmower out, I'm actually not mowing to control the height of the grass, but I'm mowing to mulch the leaves that I have laying around on my turf. Now, one of the prime reasons to mulch the leaves is to reduce the area by which garden pests can hide. And believe it or not, if you leave those leaves whole, even though they're going to decompose, you're going to have pests that are going to use that as a home. So if you mulch it, it decomposes faster and reduce the chances that you're going to have pests hiding in there. Now, a lot of people like to mulch their leaves and use that in their flower beds to put around plant material to overwinter tender perennials, or to put in their compost bin. But a cautionary tale on doing that: if you had a pest or disease problem, and that includes if you had a lawn pest or disease problem or a tree pest or disease problem, do not use the leaves around your tender perennials or in your composting bin, because you are just spreading the problem to another location. The other reason that it's very important to mulch up these leaves is the fact that when you leave the leaves whole, it actually bends the grass downward. You don't have to worry about a soil compaction problem, but it's causing damage to the vegetation of the grass. And I promise you, I've done it. You know, I just haven't wanted to get that lawnmower out. And come spring, I've had to repair the damage to my grass that I could have very easily prevented by mulching the leaves up. So consider that this fall and winter, and when you get that lazy gardener vibe that you just don't want to do, keep in mind that if you don't do it now, you're going to have to repair the damage later. So until we meet in the garden again,